so we're clear for departure. We're about to be taking off, and this should be really interesting. He just woke up a minute ago, but I hope he wakes up and he's not sleeping all the way to Chicago. We'll see. Fucking better. He would not say goodbye. Well, we're about to take off, so I'm probably gonna lose y'all.